Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find a broker for the share market. First, clearly define your investment goals, whether you're a long-term investor or a frequent trader. Next, identify the specific assets you plan to trade, such as stocks, bonds, or options. Finally, consider your budget for commissions and other fees, as these can significantly impact your returns over time. Understanding these initial points will guide your search effectively. Now, let's dive into researching your options. Compare different brokers' fee structures, looking at commissions per trade, account maintenance fees, and any inactivity charges. Evaluate their trading platforms for ease of use, available research tools, and mobile accessibility. Always verify that the broker is regulated by relevant authorities and employs robust security measures to protect your assets and personal information. Once you've chosen a broker, the next step is opening and funding your account. You'll typically complete an online application, providing personal and financial details. Pay close attention to any minimum deposit requirements, which can range from $0 to several $1,000s. Then, select a convenient funding method, such as an electronic transfer, bank wire, or check, to get your account ready for trading. Finally, consider the ongoing management and support your broker offers. Assess their customer service availability, whether it's 24 hours a day or during specific market hours, and their responsiveness. Take advantage of any educational resources, webinars, or market insights they provide. Periodically review your broker's performance and services to ensure they continue to meet your evolving investment needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.